Hey cooks, welcome back to another fun edition, midweek edition of I'm Cooking Again. I'm your man Ken. It's the middle of the week, it's Wednesday, hump day, fast and easy, dinner night, date night, whatever you want to do, or just quick for your family, all right? We're gonna do 10 pieces of chicken. We're gonna do crispy grilled chicken, all right? So we're gonna make it crispy like a fried chicken, but way more healthy on the grill. Stay with me, cooks. It's gonna be quick and easy. All right, cooks, we're back. Midweek cook, fast and easy. Now, I would advise you, if you have time, the morning before you get home, midweek, get these chicken, cut them up, get them in some salt water. We do a brine here. Actually, brine mine last night. If you want to see how to do the brine, look at the previous chicken videos on this channel. I usually brine all the time. These are actually brined, so don't worry about it. I didn't miss a beat. But okay, guys, what we want to do is, one, dry the chicken. And this is what's going to aid in keeping that skin crispy, or even getting it crispy. Okay, guys? We want to get this, all right, skin side. On the thighs, I'm not too concerned because you only have one side. On the drums, there's only one side of skin, guys. So we're not worried about that. All right? I'm going to get these dry. Dry as possible, okay guys? Dry as possible. That off there. All right, tighten this up, tighten them up nice, tighten them up. All right, this paper towel out of here. All right, and here's our secret. Take a bag, if you wanna use a fancy Ziploc, you do that. You know this channel, we don't play like that. What we're gonna do, we're gonna get cornstarch, everybody. One of the tricks, cornstarch. I say about a half a cup. This much chicken, more or less half a cup. Don't even worry about it. Get cornstarch in there. I'm gonna lightly coat it. I'm gonna put that with the rub. Okay? I say about a tablespoon. That's for flavor. I'll show you a little trick. What we're gonna do, as a binder, little cooking spray, butter flavor, any flavor you want. This is gonna aid in your crispness also. And what you can do, I'll show you alternatively. I say alternatively? I just can't work. Alternatively, once we do the cornstarch, even when it's on the grill, you can hit it again with this butter to give it more crisp, okay? I actually, before I get it in here, I sprinkle a little more of that rub on there. And as you see, this is a simple rub. Cheap Grill Mates, sweet and smoky. Use whatever rub you like, guys. It doesn't matter. Like I said, this is fast. You see, I'm rushing because it's almost dinner time, guys. I gotta get this in the house. We gotta get this on the table. So I like this midweek series. Fast cooks, guys. Real talk. Real talk. And not too heavy, because remember, we're going in the bag, guys. We're going in the bag. Bag, take them up. Take them up. Get them in the game. Get them in the game. One in the bag. You want to bag me? I was going to bag me. Do this. And today I'm using my mini drum smoker. So I'll probably do 5 and 5, guys. So I got 3 in there. Put 3 drums. Okay. 2 at a time on the drums, like I said. We make a move quickly. It's weeknight. This is Sunday dinner. It's that weeknight quick meal. Quick meal series, guys. Other challenge, taking all day. You don't have all day. Just got home. Trying to make it work. Okay. Now, if you have a lot of time, you take these out. As you can see, they're all coated. They're all coated. Now, if you had a lot of time, you take these out, let it set, let a little air get to them, dry them more. Us? Nah, not really. Not really. We're not doing that. We're not doing that. Now, another little thing I do, I hit it with a little hot sauce. Just a little tip. Just a little sneak peek. Just a little bit. Get that on there. Mix it around a little bit. A little bit. I advise you hit it with that hot sauce. Put that starch on top of it. A little tip. Gotta dry that. It's like in between the crisp. Oh yeah. In between the crisp and the skin. A little hot sauce right there. Good enough. So you don't want it fat or you want it dry. Like I said, so you don't want to overpower with that hot sauce. All right, it's looking good. Let's do the flavor. All right, guys. If you want, now I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna light the grill. I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator. I might lay that on the tray. Maybe not. I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator. 10 minutes, 15 tops. We're gonna put it out on the grill, guys. Get this thing going. Stay with me. We're cooking again. All right, cooks, we're out here. We're cooking again. The chicken's on. We've got a little offset cooking going. Charcoal's all mostly on that one side. And I have the charcoal bowl, the charcoal sitting in, is one layer down, so it's not direct heat anyway. Okay, guys, so you should look like this. We're looking good. Stay with me. About 1 hour. These should be coming off. Well, I'm a little direct heat with them, actually. So let me put this down, put this lid on, get this sealed up, and I'll be back with you guys. Stay with me. Look at the chicken. It looks like the Colonel almost made it. I'm trying to tell you. Now, I'm not even sure I need to even reverse sear it, but we're going to reverse sear it, guys, because we're going to reverse sear it. Look at these thighs, guys. Looks like somebody, look, can you see? Looks like somebody fried them. On the grill, guys, on the grill. But we're going to reverse sear them. Well, I'm debating whether I even should. Look, these drums, yeah, they're a little thin. Look at these thighs, though, guys. A little sticky on the bottom side, but a little Krispy Kreme. A little Krispy Kreme. So we have this 1, 2, 3, 6 piece here. I'm gonna drop the griddle grate, get them on there, get a sear game. I'm gonna put it like this. Let me stop talking so fast. I'm gonna spray them with a little spray, little oil spray. We're gonna drop the griddle, sear a couple minutes, guys. This is crispy chicken. I might get a little real jiggy with it and put a little barbecue sauce on it. Stay with me. We'll be right back. All right, cooks. We sprayed our thighs, a little cooking spray with the butter. Going direct on coals, y'all. Direct. Direct on coal. Gonna get hot fast. This is something you have to monitor, guys. This is not a plug and play. This is not a set it and forget it, guys. This is real reels in the field, if you know what that means. Okay, guys. Got a tray over here. We're gonna get it out there. Excuse me, let me get out the frame. And now I'm just gonna let it ride. Some air in there. This is almost reverse seared chicken. If you want to see reverse sear, check out my Ruth Chris tomahawk steak video I made on the pellet smoke. But this is a simple, like I said, it's just a light out. So we have time for a great dinner tonight. So we're working on crispy now. Like I say, don't move. Don't go to the bathroom. Don't leave your space. Stay in square. This is gonna be quick. All right, guys, stay with this cook. Easy dinner, stay with me. We'll be right back, cooks. Here's the hustle. See now, we're gonna put on the back side, see now, the top side is grilled fried chicken. That doesn't mean we're gonna add this barbecue sauce on the back side of them thighs, yeah? Flavor. Add the flavor to it. A little char flavor on one side. It was hot in there, y'all. A little char flavor on the skin side. The back end, like I said, on the back end, we have barbecue flavor, y'all. See, this is what you don't get on other channels, guys. Get that game. Look at that right there. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Get some of the drumstick. Put a little love in their life. Put a little love in their life. All they need in this life. I'm trying to tell y'all guys. So we have one side crispy. Oh, the drumstick is crispy. And here's the trick with that crispy. Now you could char it. That's a different style of chicken, which we do here, and we do love. Actually, we love the char. My wife loves charring the chicken. But that skin game strong. Skin game is strong, y'all. Have a little mark on it. You can hear scrape. You can hear scrape. But these thighs, guys. Come on, cooks. Play with your boy. One time for the one time. There it is. There it is. Gotta be careful. I don't get that too much of that Carolina sauce on there. All right, guys. You know how the world has changed now, guys. We got hybrid cars, a little bit of gas, a little bit of battery. This is hybrid chicken. A little bit of grill, a little bit of fry. Look at that. 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 Fried piece chicken on your grill. I'm trying to tell you how to do it, y'all. Trying to tell you how to do it. You have to be patient, a little diligent, a little diligent. Look at that crispy grilled chicken, y'all. Crispy grilled chicken. Like, share, subscribe. Leave me a comment. Tell me about how you would do the crispy grilled chicken, y'all. Subscribe to the channel. We'll be back for the taste. Stay with me, and thanks for staying with me. We'll be back. Hey, cooks. We're at the final. We made the midweek challenge. Barbecue fried chicken. Look at the crispy on it. I'm gonna hit mine with a little hot sauce, y'all. Taste test. Let's get it. All right, y'all. All right now. We got it on the channel. Ooh, hot. Hot. On the phone. I think I heard that crunch. That came off the grill. Excuse me. That came off the grill. Subscribe to the channel. Share this video. Like the video. Comment. How would you do your grilled fried chicken? Way healthier. Better for your cholesterol. Better for Big Mama's pressure. Start cooking like this, guys. We're cooking again. Stay with us.